So there's the main ingredients there. This is the 5th video now. Quite basic, this one. It's onions and garlic, which are going first, and we'll add the rest when we start making the base of the sauce. Pan is nice and hot, so I'll put in the onions and garlic. So brown them off for a bit. So onions and garlic are browned off. I just realised, it's a coincidence, it's only Halloween coming up and it's goulash we're doing here. Anyway, now I'm going to add some seasoning, salt and pepper. And with this dish, paprika is the main flavour spice we're going to be using, which is smoked peppers ground down. We'll add some in now to get the flavours started off, generous with that. Get that all in, and we'll stir that and brown that away for a while. Ooh, smell that already. Okay. Next step, I'm going to add some of the passata now. No thumb on this one, there's a thumb called on my last video, I apologise for that, but there you go. We'll add that in. Put it all in. That's one carton there, which is 500 grams, and we want to simmer that away nicely for say 10 minutes, and we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. So that's built up some flavour now. I have added some water via the passata carton, which I filled up, and put that in to get the rest of the juice flavour out. Now I'm just going to pour in the potatoes, carrots and red peppers. Hopefully we won't drop any, and it all goes in. Okay, stir that around, because if I slosh that, it will go all over the floor. So stir that in. Then I have chickpeas. Pour those into there. If it looks like you need more water, just add some or adjust the seasoning. Or by all means add more paprika. As you see, I'm going to have to put some more water into there. But we'll come back to this in a few minutes. So it's now been simmering away for a couple of hours. I've added water as I've gone along, adjusted seasoning, a little paprika and a little bit of brown sugar just to take away the sharp taste of the tomato, but not a lot. So this is usually served with potato pancakes in Hungary. I'll be serving mine with rice. I may do a follow-up video on potato pancakes. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do so to keep up to date. And thanks again for watching.